Hi guys, welcome back to Cup of Teach. This time we're going to solve problems involving quadratic equations. For example, problem number 1. The square of a number plus thrice a number is equal to 10. Find the number. Since we don't know the number, therefore, we can assign any variable for this. So I'm going to use x for a number. Then, let us translate the problem. Square of a number, that is x squared, since a number is x, plus thrice a number, that is plus 3x, is equal to 10. This is now the quadratic equation. X squared plus 3x is equal to 10. Transpose positive 10 to the left side, so it will become negative 10. Therefore, we will have now x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Then, let us factor the given equation. Factors of negative 10, wherein the sum is positive 3. So, what do you think are the factors of negative 10, wherein the sum is positive 3? Let us try positive 5 and negative 2. Positive 5 times negative 2, that is negative 10. That is correct. Let us get the sum. 5 plus negative 2, that is positive 3. Therefore, these are now the factors of the given equation. Since we have already the factors, let us equate these two factors to 0. The first factor is x plus 5 equals to 0. Second factor, x minus 2 is equal to 0. After that, solve for x. Transpose positive 5 to the right side, so it will become negative 5. Therefore, x is equal to negative 5. Same thing here. Transpose negative 2 to the right side, so it will become positive 2. Therefore, x is equal to positive 2. So the question is, find the number. So what do you think are the numbers? The numbers are negative 5 and positive 2. Number 2, Mr. Tuan wants to place a new rectangular tarpaulin in front of his house to inform people about his new product. Suppose the length of the tarpaulin to be placed is 5 meters longer than its width, and the area is 150 square meters. What will be the length and the width of the tarpaulin? So first, let us analyze the given problem and identify kung ano-ano ang mga given na pwede nating magamit to solve the given problem. Like rectangular tarpaulin. Length of the tarpaulin, which is 5 meters longer than its width, and the area, which is 150 square meters. Then, balik tayo dito. 5 meters longer than its width, that is the length. Pero, hindi niya sinabi dito yung measure ng width natin. Therefore, mag-a-assign tayo ng variable for the measure of the width. So, x for the width. Then, translate natin to. 5 meters longer than its width. So, that is x plus 5. That is the length. And the area is 150 square meters. Since ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, area at saka rectangular tarpaulin. So, kunin natin ang area ng rectangle, which is length times width. Then, substitution tayo. A, that is 150. Your length, that is x plus 5. And your width, that is x. So, this is now the equation. Let us simplify. Copy 150, then multiply this. X times x, that is x squared. 5 times x, that is positive 5x. Transpose 150 to the right side, so it will become negative. Therefore, we will have 0 is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 150. Or, pwede natin siyang isulat ng ganitong way. X squared plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Pareho lang sila. Tandaan ang 0, pwede natin siyang isulat. It's either sa left side or sa right side. Then, this is now the standard form of the given equation. Pwede na tayo mag-factor. What are the factors of negative 150 wherein the sum is positive 5? Try natin ang 15 and negative 10. So, 15 times negative 10, that is negative 150. That is correct. Let us get the sum. 15 plus negative 10, that is positive 5. Therefore, these are now the factors. Then, equate natin siya sa 0. First factor, that is x plus 15 is equal to 0. The other factor, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Then, solve for x na tayo. Transpose positive 15 to the right side, so it will become negative 15. And then, same thing here, transpose negative 10 to the right side, so x is equal to 10. So, since ang kailangan natin ay yung width, so hindi tayo kukuha ng negative for the measure. Kasi wala tayong negative sa measure. Palaging positive yan, even in the distance. So, ang kukuhanin natin yung positive 10. So, x is equal to positive 10. Then, since sabi natin dito, ang width natin ay x, therefore, ang width natin ay 10. Then, kailangan nating maglagay ng unit. So, ang unit na ginamit dito, meters. So, 10 meters. Then, yung length natin, which is x plus 5. Ang x natin ay 10, substitution. So, 10 plus 5, that is 15. Therefore, ang length natin ay 15 meters. Palaging tatandaan, meron siyang unit. Number 3, a rectangular field has an area of 48 square meters and a perimeter of 28 meters. What are the dimensions of the field? First, analyze natin ang given problem and identify kung ano ang pwede nating magamit para ma-solve natin yung problem. Like, rectangular field, area, perimeter. Let us write perimeter is equal to 28 meters. Area, which is 48 square meters. Tandaan, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, rectangular field. So, kukunin natin ang perimeter ng rectangle, that is P is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. And the area of the rectangle, which is length times width. And then, factor natin to para ma-solve natin ang length natin, yung isang dimension natin. So, P is equal to 2 times the quantity of length plus width. Then, substitution tayo. Ang P natin, or the perimeter, that is 28, is equal to 2 times L plus W. Then, divide natin both side by 2. Then, cancel natin yung 2. So, 28 divided by 2, that is 14. Then, matitira sa right side, length plus W. So, ang isosolve natin, yung length, para magkaroon tayo ng isang dimension. So, lipat natin yung W dito sa left side. So, it will become negative. So, 14 minus W is equal to L. Or, we can write that as L is equal to 14 minus W. Same lang sila. So, this is now the length. Then, let's go to the area. Substitution. Area natin, which is 48. Ang length natin, this is 14 minus W. This one. And then, width, this is W. This is now the equation. Let us simplify. Just copy 48. Then, multiply this. W times 14, that is 14 W. Negative W times W, that is negative W squared. Then, transpose natin yung 14W minus W squared para maging positive ang W squared natin. Para makuha natin ang quadratic form. Transpose, so it will become W squared minus 14W plus 48 is equal to 0. So, yung quadratic form natin, naka-standard form na. Then, pwede na tayong mag-factor. What are the factors of 48 wherein the sum is negative 14? Let us try negative 8 and negative 6. So, negative 8 times negative 6, that is positive 48. That is correct. Let us get the sum. Negative 8 plus negative 6, that is negative 14. That is correct. Therefore, these are now the factors of the equation. Then, equate natin sa 0. W minus 8 is equal to 0. And the other factor, W minus 6 is equal to 0. Then, solve for W. Transpose negative 8 to the right side. So, it will become positive. W is equal to 8. Same thing here. Negative 6 transpose to the right side. So, it will become positive. So, W is equal to 6. So, balik tayo sa problem. Sabi, what are the dimensions of the field? So, ang hinahanap natin, dimensions, that is the length and the width. Palaging tandaan, ang length natin mas mahaba kesa sa width. Therefore, kung ito ang given sa kanya, ang magiging width natin yung 6. At ang magiging length natin yung 8. Therefore, the dimensions are 8 meters and 6 meters.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!